welcome to Kids Easy Learning, and today we are going to be doing a very popular pepper and soap experiment. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe and join our KEL family because we post new videos every Thursday. For this experiment, you will need a plate, a glass of water and some hand soap. Last but not least, you will need pepper. Now that we have all the things for this experiment, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Now, for the first step, you need to take the glass of water and pour the water into the plate or shallow dish. Now, sprinkle some pepper so that it floats on the water. Now, before we carry on with this experiment, dip your finger into the water. What do you observe? You will notice that the pepper sticks to your hand. This is exactly what happens with germs when they stick to your fingers. Let's try the same thing with soap this time. Dip your finger into the soap and then get ready to see some magic. Dip your finger into the water and see what happens. Did you see that? The pepper moved away from your hand, which was dipped in soap. Now remove your finger and observe closely. What do you see? The pepper doesn't stick to your hand. In this experiment, we saw that pepper that acts like germs moves away from the soap. This is because pepper is hydrophobic, which means it hates water and does not stick to water. So when soap is added, soap creates a change in surface tension in the water. So the water moves away, carrying pepper with it. I hope you understood the importance of washing your hands regularly from this experiment. Make sure to subscribe and join the KEL family and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. We will be posting new videos every Thursday, so make sure to come back and watch our next video. Bye for now.